Ronan, are we ready to go down the slide? 1, 2, 3.
You can do it.
1, 2, 3. Hooray!
Good job. We're working on how we get back up.
He's pretty certain that you go back up the slide too.
All right, ready? 1, 2. Yay!
Yay! We'll figure out the climbing part soon. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Yay! Ta-da!